Hi everybody, this is Ben. I've been told I act like a robot on the camera, so this is my YouTube face. I'm here with an update on the WiPhone progress. Recently we've been working on the calling experience, and the more polished user interface is now able to make and receive calls, so we wanted to show you an actual call being made. We'll call a test server located in an unpronounceable town in Iceland, mostly because my mom was getting fed up with us.
You've reached a test number at Símafélagið in Iceland. Calls are limited to 1 hour. Press 1 for echo test, 2 for hold music, 3 to record and listen to a 10-second message.
We've also got the screens for text messaging set up. And a few of our tools like our network scanner got a facelift as well.